welcome to this program. Now we are going to discuss about the answer key for the online test for unit 4. Question 1. The coordination number and the geometry of the cerium in CeNO3 6 times of 6 2 minus R respectively. Here the NO3 2 minus ion act as a bidentate. Therefore, the coordination number is 12 and the structure is icosahedral. This is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. Question number 2. The correct d electron configuration showing the spin orbital coupling is. The correct answer is C. The spin orbital coupling of d electron takes place when the T2G orbitals are unsymmetrically filled. In option C, the configuration is T42G, therefore it is unsymmetrical. The correct answer is C. 3. The number of microstate for d5 electron configuration is. For this question, the correct answer is C, 7 into 10 to 6 power 3. 7 into 6 power 3, and the explanation is given below. For calculating the number of microstate, the formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. N is the twice the number of d orbital. R is the number of electrons in the d orbital. For d5 configuration, the d consists of 5 subshell. Therefore, the value of n equal to 10, and there are 5 electrons in the d orbital. Therefore, r equal to 5. You substitute the value, you will get 10 factorial divided by 5 factorial into 10 minus 5 factorial, that will be equal to 7 into 6 power 2. This is the correct answer. Similarly, you can work out for the number of microstate possible for B3 configuration. P3 configuration. Here the n equal to 6, r equal to 3. You substitute it, you will get the number of microstate for P3 level also. Question number 4. The light pink color of COH2O6 ion 6 times of 2 plus and deep color of COCl2 minus are due to. Here the correct option is C, DD transition in both. Here the DD transition is due to the electronic arrangement. COH2O6 times of 2 plus is T2G 5Eg2. Here the expected transition is T2G to Eg transition. In COCl4 2 minus, it is a tetrahedral configuration, and the electronic configuration is E4 T2G3. Therefore, the expected transition is E2 T2G transition. For this question number 4, the correct option is C. In two complexes, DT transitions are possible. 5. In hydroformylation reaction using RH PPH thrice of COH as catalyst, the addition of excess of PPH3 would A. Increase the rate of the reaction, B. Decrease the rate of the reaction, C. Not influence the rate of the reaction, D. Stop the reaction. Here the correct answer is B. Decrease the rate of the reaction. The complex is 18 electron species. Now it is stable. In excess of PPH3, it becomes 12 electron species and it becomes less reactive. So the rate of the reaction decreases in addition of PPH3. Question number 6. The electronic transition responsible for the color of the transition is. Here the correct answer is B, d pi to d sigma star transition. Here that transition is responsible for the color of the compound. 7. The delta T of the complexes A COCl4 2 minus, B COBr4 2 minus, C CONCS 4 times of 2 minus. Here the correct answer is A. C is greater than A greater than B. From the spectroscopy series, the Br minus ion is a weak Licon and NCS minus is a strong Licon. Therefore, the delta T of the complexes for the following order: A, C is greater than A, which is greater than B. Option A is correct. Identify the chiral complexes from the following. Here, the correct option is B. Complex A and complex B are chiral complexes. Complex A and B are octahedral complexes with no plane of symmetry. One of the condition, the complex should not have plane of symmetry, then only it is chiral. Therefore, A and B are chiral complexes. The complex C is a square planar complex and has a plane of symmetry. Therefore, it is a chiral complex. Therefore, the correct answer is A and B for the question number 8. Question number 9. The biological function of cytochrome B45 and myoglobin are respectively. The option A is correct. Oxidation of alkene and O2 storage. Cytochrome B45 involved in the oxidation of alkene and myoglobin involves in the oxygen storage. Therefore, the correct answer is A for this question. Question number 10. Using crystal field theory, identify the following complex ion shows same mu effective spin only value. Here, 3 complexes are given. Complex A COF6 3 minus, B IRCl6 3 minus, and C FeH2O6 times of 2 plus. All 3 complexes are octahedral complexes. A and C complexes are high spin complexes, that is D6 T2G4 Eg2, and have the same number of unpaired electron, 4 unpaired electron. So these 2 complexes have the mu effective values are same. The complex B is a low spin complex, that is T26 and Eg0. There is no unpaired electron. For this question 10, the correct option is C. A and C both complexes have same spin only. Question number 11. Choose the correct statement about Tan-Bach-Sugano diagram. Option A. E by B is plotted against delta 0 by B. It is correct. B. The zero energy is taken as the lowest term. C. The terms of the same symmetry across each other. It is incorrect. D. 2 terms of the same symmetry upon increases of Licon field strength bend part from each other. It is also correct. Option A, option B, option D are correct statement. Therefore, for this question, C is the correct answer. 12. The 3 electronic transition 14,900, 22,700 and 34,400 centimeters are observed in the Iorzone spectrum of CRF6C minus. The delta 0 value and the corresponding transitions are. Here, the lowest value of the 3 transition is due to A42G4 and 2T2G4. That is the second option. 14,900 value is equal to delta 0. The delta 0 value and the corresponding transition is A2G4, T2G4 and the delta 0 is 14,900. Therefore, the option B is correct. Here, the given the electronic transition, the lowest value is equal to the delta 0 value. Delta 0 value. That is the correct answer. Therefore, for the question number 12, C is the correct. For the question number 12, option B is the correct answer. Question number 13. The reflexivity parameter beta is the highest value for. Here the correct answer is D. That is option D, F minus. According to the nucleosynthetic series, F minus has the highest beta value and Br minus has the lowest beta value. Question number 14. The correct statement for the cytochrome C is. Here the answer option C is correct. It is a redox protein and an electron carrier. This is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer for the 14. Question number 15. The total degeneracy of the ground term of CO2 high spin in octahedral geometry is. The correct answer is C28, and it can be calculated by using the formula. The degeneracy of the d orbital is equal to 2s plus 1 into 2l plus 1. Here the s value is totally, the electronic configuration is T2G5 Eg2. Therefore there are 3 unpaired electrons. For is s is equal to 3 into half, that will be equal to 3 by 2, and for L the value will be equal to 3. Totally 7 electron. You substitute it in plus 2 state, that is 2, in plus 1 state 2, and all other state 1 1 1. Therefore 4 plus 2 plus 0 minus 1 minus 2, that will be equal to 3. Substitute the value of L and S in the following equation. You will get the degeneracy of the d orbital is 28. Question number 16. COPn twice Cl2 plus and COTn twice Cl2 plus ions exhibit. Here it is an example of ligand isoprotron. Therefore option A is correct. According to this problem, the Pn is 1,2 diaminopropane. Tn means 1,3 diaminopropane. Therefore only the difference is the position of the amino group. Therefore the correct answer is A. These two complex ion shows ligand isomerism. 17. Choose the correct order of ligand for the following trans effect. The option A is correct. Here H2O shows low value of trans effect and NO shows high trans effect. According to this, the order is given: H2O less than OH minus, less than NH3, less than PY, less than Cl minus, less than Br minus, less than I minus, and less than NO. The highest trans effect shows by NO group. Next is halogen. Next is organic ligand. The least value goes to the water molecule, water ligand. Therefore the correct answer is A. Question number 12. The complex ion COH2O 6 times sub 2 plus shows 3 absorption band at 8000 cm, 19,600 cm per minus 1 and 21,600 cm per minus 1. Calculate the value of dq. Here the option dq, the option C is correct, 1000 cm per minus 1. Here the lowest value is assigned to 8 dq. The 8000, 8 dq will be equal to 8000 cm per minus 1. Therefore 10 dq will be equal to 10,000 cm per minus 1. Therefore delta 0 value equal to 10,000 cm per minus 1. Therefore dq equal to 1000 cm per minus 1. For question number 18, the correct option is C. Question number 19. For 10dq for the complexes CO, En thrice 3 plus, if the value of G is 9.3 and the value of F for this 3En is 1.28. Here it is a simple problem for calculating 10dq. The 10dq for the complexes is given to be equal to F into G into 10 to the power of 3. The value of F equal to 9.3 and the value of G equal to 1.8 into 10 to the power of 3, that will be equal to 23,000 centimeter per minus 1. For this problem, the correct option is A, 23,000 centimeter per minus 1. If the value of F and G is given, the simplest formula to calculate the value of 10dq will be equal to F into G into 10 to the power of 3. The 10dq will be equal to delta 0. 20. Choose the incorrect match from the following. Here option A, option B, option C are correct matches. In option D, Dm3 plus, it consists of 12 electrons, but it is pale green color in nature. Therefore, the correct answer is D, and the option is Dm3 plus consists of 12 electrons and it has pale green in color. Which of the following ions are diamagnetic? Here the option B, La3 plus, Lu3 plus, Ce4 plus and Yb2 plus. The configuration of these ions is 4f0 or 4f14. Therefore, there is no unpaired electron present in the ions. So, it is diamagnetic. Therefore, the correct option for 21st question is B. 22. Choose the correct order of increasing ionic radius from the following. Here the option A is correct. Cm3 plus less than Am3 plus less than U3 plus less than Ac3 plus. Therefore, the correct answer is A. And the ionic radius are given. For Cm3 plus is 0.98 Armstrong unit, Am3 plus 0.99 Armstrong unit, U3 plus 1.03 Armstrong unit, Ac3 plus equal to 1.11 Armstrong unit. Therefore, Ac3 plus has the highest ionic radius and Cm3 plus has the lowest ionic radius. For this question, option A is correct. Question number 23. Choose the wrong statement from the following. Here, the MC bond order increases in the order of Ni single bond C less than CO single bond C less than Fe single bond C. It is correct. Option B, the CO bond order decreases in the order nickel CO 4 times greater than CO 4 times minus, which is greater than FeCO4 2 minus. It is also correct. Option C, the absorption frequency for CO increases in the order VCO6 minus less than CrCO6 less than MnCO6 plus. It is also correct. But the wrong statement is D. The bibonding strengthens the CO bond and it is weakens the MC bond. That is wrong statement. Therefore, for this question, the correct answer is D. The correct statement for the wrong statement is the bibonding weakens the CO bond and it is strengthen the MC bond. And the carbonyl frequency is order is also given. VCO6 power of minus 1860 centimeter per minus 1. CrCO6, for that the vibrational frequency is 1980 centimeter per minus 1. For MnCO6, the vibrational frequency is 2090 centimeter per minus 1. Therefore, the vibrational frequency is given in increasing order. 24. Choose the total electron count and skeletal structure of OS5CO16. Here the correct answer is B, 72, close trigonal pyramidal structure. The T is calculated. There are 5 wires, outermost orbital is 8, 5 into 8 plus 16 carbonyl group, 16 into 2, totally 72. TCE is equal to 72, therefore PEC is equal to 6, which will be equal to 5 plus 1, therefore closo trigonal 5 pyramidal structure. Option B is correct. 25. The substitutional inlet complex among the following. For this question, the option A is correct. Cr H2O6 times of 3 plus. This is because for Cr3 plus the configuration is D3 or which will be equal to T2G3 Eg0, so it is inert. Therefore, for the 25th question, the correct answer is option A. 26. Consider the following reaction 1 and 2. The correct answer for this question is the complex 1 follows inner sphere mechanism and complex 2 follows outer sphere mechanism. And how we can find out whether it is an inner sphere mechanism or outer sphere mechanism? Here the explanation is given. For inner sphere electron transfer reaction, both electron and silicon transfer occur. In the case of first one, ammonia and water electron transfer from one complex into another complexes, and the electrons also changes from one atom to another atom. Therefore, the first one is called inner sphere electron transfer reaction. In the second case, the outer sphere electron transfer reaction, the electron transfer only occur. Here there is no transfer of silicon. Therefore, the second reaction is outer sphere electron transfer reaction. Therefore, for this question, C is the answer. 27. Match the following. Option A, that is complexes are given and their activities are given. For the question 7, these are the well-known. The correct option for this question is D, 2, 4, 3, 1. Correct answer for this question is T. The number of metal-metal bond present in IR4CO12R. The correct answer is the number of metal-metal bond is 6. Option C is the correct answer. It is calculated by using a simple formula. The number of metal-metal bond equal to 18 into 4 minus valency electron divided by 2. By 18 into 4 is number of metal atom minus 60 divided by 2, that will be equal to 6. Therefore, the number of metal bonds present in the complexes is 6. Therefore, the correct answer is C6. 29. In photosynthesis, the predominant metals involved in PS1 and PS2 are. Here, the correct answer is A, magnesium and manganese. Chlorophyll containing magnesium involved in the photosynthesis 1. Manganese present in oxygen evolving complexes OEC of BS2. Therefore, for the 29th question, the correct answer is A, magnesium and manganese. Question number 30. The pyridoxine R, electron carrier. Option B is the correct answer. For the question number 13, pyridoxine R, electron carrier, the option B is the correct answer. 31. The number of iteration for pH 3 is the correct answer C, 6. Number of vibration is 6. It is a non-linear molecule, so it has 3 n-6 modes of vibration. Therefore, the number of vibration is 3 into n minus 6, that will be equal to 6. Therefore, option C is correct. For F19 NMR spectrum ClF3 source, here the correct answer is A doublet and a triplet. Here there are two types of fluorine. One is Fa and Fe. The Fa interact with the Fe and Fe will interact with the Fa. Above, for Fa proton, the neighboring fluorine is Fb, it gives a doublet. For Fe fluorine atom, the neighboring is 2, you have 2 Fa atom, therefore it gives a triplet. The correct answer for this question is a doublet and a triplet. 33. The number of line observed for Mn2 plus ion in ESR spectrum. The correct option is C, 6. Here the Mn2 plus ion has 5 unpaired electron in its d orbital, so it gives 2Ni plus 1 lines. Generally, the simple formula used to calculate the number of lines is 2Ni plus 1 lines. Upon 2Ni plus 1, that will be equal to N is the number of electron and I is the spin of the electron. We substitute the value 2 into 5 into 1 by 2 plus 1, that will be equal to 6 lines. Therefore, the correct answer is C. 34. The ESR spectrum of CD3 radical consists of. Here the correct answer is C, septet. Here also we are using the same formula 2Ni plus 1. Here the value of the number of neighboring nucleus n equal to 3. The value of I for deuterium is 1. You substitute is 2 into 3 into 1 plus 1, that will be equal to 7. But the number of line expected is 7. Therefore, the correct answer is C, septet. 35. The order of number of bands in the IR spectrum of the following compound: A, free SO4 2- ion, B, unidentate SO4 2- ion, C, bidentate SO4 2- ion. Here the correct answer is C. C is greater than B is greater than A. That is, bidentate shows more bands compared with the free SO4 2- ion. As the symmetry of the ligand decreases, the number of bands increase and vice versa. Therefore, option C is correct for this question. 36. The number of lines in the P13 NMR spectrum of PF2 NH2 twice. Here the correct answer is D, 90 lines. The number of expected lines is explained by using this formula: 2NHIH plus 1, 2NFIF plus 1, 2NNIN plus 1, 2NHIH plus 1. Here there are two types of proton, 1 proton and 4 proton. You substitute the value as given in the equation, you will get 90 lines. Therefore, the number of lines in the P31 NMR spectrum of PF2 NH2 twice is D, 9D is the correct answer. 37. The F19 NMR spectrum of PCl2 F3 and IP1 is half and IF is 1/2 source. Here the correct answer is A, 2 triplets and 2 doublets. Here the geometry of BCl2 F3 is given. Here you have to consider the Fa interact with the phosphorus and Fe and it gives 2 triplets. The Fe and P interact with the Fa, it gives 2 doublets. In the first case, the axial fluorine interact with the phosphorus. neighboring fluorine atom is 2, therefore it gives triplet. Similarly, the 2 axial fluorine interact with the 1 equatorial, it gives 1 triplet, therefore you will get 2 triplet. Similarly, the phosphorus interact with the 2 axial, for that you will get 1 doublet, and fluorine equatorial interact with the fluorine axial, you will get a doublet. For this compound you can expect 2 triplet and 2 doublet. 38. P31 NMR spectrum of pH3 molecule source. Simply you can calculate. The neighboring nucleus is 3, therefore you can expect n plus 1 signal, n plus 1 peak, therefore number of peak will be equal to 3 plus 1, this will be equal to 4 peaks. Therefore for the 38th question the correct answer is A. 39. The F19 NMR spectrum of BrFi source. Here the correct answer is a C doublet and quintet. Here there are 2 type of fluorine. One is axial fluorine, the another one is equatorial fluorine. Fa are here there are 4 equatorial fluorine and 1 axial fluorine. For axial fluorine the neighboring nucleus is Fe. For Fa the neighboring nucleus is Fe. Therefore if we consider the number of signal for Fa, it will be equal to 2 Ni plus 1. The neighboring nucleus is 1 and the spin equal to half. Therefore 2 into 1 into half plus 1, that will be equal to 2. For Fb the neighboring nucleus is 4. Therefore 2 into 4 into half plus 1, that will be equal to 5. Upon you consider for Fa you will get doublet and for Fb you will get quintet. That is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. 40. F19 and P13 NMR spectrum of BFI source. Let us here the correct answer. Correct answer is A, 1 singlet and 12 peaks. At room temperature, the axial and equatorial fluorine atoms are equivalent because the interchanges their position, so it gives a 1 singlet in F19 spectrum. In P13 NMR spectrum, the number of lines will be equal to, here also there are 2 type of fluorine nucleus. One is equatorial and axial. There are 3 equatorial nucleus and 2 axial nucleus. You substitute this 2 into 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1, 2 into 2 into 1 by 2 plus 1. Therefore that will give source 12 peaks. For 40th question the correct answer is A, 1 singlet and 12 peaks.